Many countries use natural gas as an alternative to their energy needs. But is this really a good choice? What are the advantages of natural gas? Which countries use natural gas as an important energy source? Using natural gas instead of coal has several advantages, particularly in terms of environmental impact, efficiency, and economic factors. The first advantage is the reduction of environmental impacts. It produces significantly less carbon dioxide when burned compared to coal. For instance, burning natural gas emits about 50 to 60% less CO2 than coal per unit of energy produced. Natural gas combustion generates fewer harmful air pollutants such as sulfur dioxide, nitrogen oxides, particulate matter, and mercury, which are associated with coal burning. These pollutants contribute to smog, acid rain, respiratory issues, and other environmental and health problems. Its power plants generally operate more efficiently than coal-fired plants. Combined cycle natural gas plants, which use both a gas turbine and a steam turbine to generate electricity, can achieve efficiencies of up to 60%, whereas coal plants typically have efficiencies around 33 to 40%. Natural gas plants often have lower operational and maintenance costs compared to coal plants. They are also quicker and less expensive to build. In many regions, natural gas has become more economically competitive due to abundant supply, largely driven by advances in hydraulic fracturing and horizontal drilling technologies. Its plants can ramp up and down their electricity production more quickly than coal plants. This makes them better suited to complement intermittent renewable energy sources like wind and solar, enhancing grid stability and reliability. Natural gas can be used in smaller, decentralized power generation units, including residential and commercial heating, which provides flexibility in meeting energy demands. Many regions already have extensive natural gas distribution networks, making it easier to supply and integrate natural gas into the energy mix compared to building new coal infrastructure. While natural gas is not without its environmental and economic challenges, particularly concerning methane leaks during extraction and transport, it offers significant benefits over coal. These include lower greenhouse gas emissions, fewer air pollutants, higher efficiency, lower operational costs, and greater flexibility in power generation. As a result, transitioning from coal to natural gas is often seen as a practical step towards reducing the environmental impact of energy production while maintaining economic and grid stability. Before continuing, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. This way we can continue to make new videos for you. The countries that use the most natural gas are typically those with large industrial bases, significant energy needs, or abundant natural gas reserves. The US is the largest consumer of natural gas in the world. It uses natural gas extensively for electricity generation, heating, and industrial processes. The country also has significant natural gas production, making it largely self-sufficient. Russia is both a major producer and consumer of natural gas. It is a key component of its energy mix, used for electricity generation, residential heating, and as an industrial feedstock. China has been rapidly increasing its natural gas consumption as it seeks to reduce air pollution and diversify its energy sources. It is used in power generation, industry, and residential heating. Iran has large natural gas reserves and is a major consumer, using it for electricity generation, heating, and as a feedstock for its petrochemical industry, while Japan is one of the largest importers of natural gas, primarily in the form of liquefied natural gas, LNG. Natural gas is crucial for electricity generation, especially after the Fukushima nuclear disaster, which led to a reduction in nuclear power. Canada uses significant amounts of natural gas for electricity generation, heating, and industrial purposes. It is also a major producer and exporter of natural gas, while Saudi Arabia uses natural gas extensively for electricity generation and desalination plants. The country is focusing on expanding its natural gas production to reduce its reliance on oil for domestic energy consumption. Germany is a major consumer of natural gas, primarily for electricity generation, heating, and industrial uses. It imports most of its natural gas. The UK uses natural gas for electricity generation, heating, and industrial processes. It has historically produced natural gas from the North Sea, although domestic production has been declining. India's natural gas consumption is growing, driven by the need for cleaner energy sources for power generation, industrial use, and urban heating. It is important to consider that many countries are transitioning to natural gas from coal and oil to reduce carbon emissions and improve air quality. Countries without significant natural gas reserves, like Japan, South Korea, and many European nations, rely heavily on LNG, liquid natural gas, imports. The development of natural gas infrastructure, such as pipelines and LNG terminals, is critical for increasing natural gas usage in many regions. These countries collectively account for a significant portion of global natural gas consumption, driven by their large populations, industrial activities, and energy needs. If you liked the video, leave your like, and don't forget to subscribe. This is really important so we can make more videos for you.